Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Love Heart shaped glasses for women, vintage cat eye mod style retro glasses. They were originally introduced by a big designer and the cost was prohibitive for me. I also don't like buying very expensive sunglasses because I have to wear glasses for my sight, and I only wear these when my husband's driving and I can just go for fashion. I don't have to go for any sort of reading. They're really cute. They come in an array of colors. Come in, let's see, baby pink with like a white clear frame, black, tortoise, which is really super adorable, red, of course, a lighter baby pink with a pink outline, and let's see, they're just a super fun sunglass to add to your collection. They're not expensive. You can get it through Prime pretty quickly. The plastic frame, and it has a photochromatic lens. It's non-polarized. Lens width is 53 millimeters and the lens height is 56 millimeters. The arm is 140 millimeters and it has a UV of 400% protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays. So these are a great little addition to add to your fashion sunglass collection. I absolutely love it. I kind of wear it. I call them the Lolita sunglasses, even though they have more of an exaggerated cat eye than the ones that she wore. This is what they look like. Standing up. Real cute. I get nothing but compliments when I wear these. I'll actually wear them with like a floppy black hat and kind of look like a movie star. It's kind of my thing. That's always fun. But the red ones just caught my attention right away and I had to have these, so I suggest you check them out yourself, especially if you're an espoused sunglass junkie like myself. I love buying knockoffs. I will see what the Kardashians are wearing and wait 9 months or a year for someone else to manufacture them and make them cheaper, because they're really not made with different materials than what they're getting. Sunglass costs are just kind of ridiculous when it comes to designer sunglasses. Just going with an off-label brand is great enough, and these are really pretty awesome. Like I said, everybody likes them when they see me in them. They're very cheerful, very sweet, very complimentary and kind. And I recently wore these for 4th of July and Mom was so surprised. She thought they were so cute and said they were absolutely me. It's just part of my personality. I like to have fun and accessorize. So yeah, these again, cat eye heart-shaped glasses, and it's kind of a vintage feel cat eye mod style retro glasses. So yeah, give them a try. It's also a really good birthday gift, Christmas Day gift, Mother's Day gift, Valentine's gift, wife, girlfriend, lover, mother, grandmother, daughter, sister, mom, grandma, nana. And you can wear them anywhere. You can wear them on a hike, you can wear them shopping, you can wear them to the grocery store, driving, and you know, it depends on what kind of business you work in. You know, these can be on your head while you're typing code at as a coder at a web development company. So I mean, if you, like I said, have fun with your wardrobe, accessorize, give it a try. Don't take my word for it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this, so thanks so much.